ma'am.
Yes, Pritika.
On Wednesday, you were saying that we have to write the sums from textbook.
Hmm.
Also, where are the page number of the sums?
I have written the page number also in the 67 page number. The question number 1, all the sums A to H.
Okay, so I will complete.
Yes, please complete it. My class attend. Wait a minute. So, students, now open page number 63. Open page number 63. Everyone from your textbooks. Rishabh, turn on your camera. Arush, Viha, turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, can I go?
Yes, please. So now I'm going to present my screen and show you the page number which I am discussing. I'm going to present the screen.
Ma'am, page number. Ma'am, what is the page number? Page number 63. What is the page number? 63. Page number 63. 63. Turn off the mic.
Yes, now please turn off your mic. Someone mic. Krishav, mute your mic, please. Someone else mic is also on. Okay. Now I'm going. Am I audible to you all now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Okay. I am going to present my screen now. This is on your page number 63. How much to pay for this junk? Kiran has bought some junk from junk collectors. Look at the text page, the rate list to see today's rates. Help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper? When you go on the page number 64, you will able to find out that the cost of 1 kg newspapers is rupees 5. So what will be the cost of 31 kg students? How you will find out for many? By what?
Multiply.
By
Multiply.
very good. So multiply 31 by 5 and tell me what will be the answer.
155.
Very good. One kg it costs rupees 5. 30 kg is 5 multiplied by 30 is 150. So 31 kg he pays 15. Sorry, 31 multiplied by 5 because the cost of the newspaper is rupees 5. This is of 1 kg. And if we need to find out for when many, we multiply.
Ma'am, it's 155.
Yes, 1 kg newspaper cost is rupees 5. So 31 multiplied by 5 when we will do, we will get the answer is 155. 31 multiplied by 5. So please write it in your textbook only. Now next question. Turn the page, page number 64. Now, children, when you go to the junk sailor, have you all ever noticed this rate list there? कभी आपने रेट लिस्ट नोटिस करी है? वहां पर लिखी हुई होती है, यस और नो?
Did know this.
Yes or no? Raise your hand, those who have observed this rate list. Yes or no, Viha? Viha, have you ever observed the junk sailor is having a rate list? No. Mox, you have observed the junk sailors are having a rate list? Pritika, have you ever observed? No. Mohammed, you? Krishav, you have observed?
Yes, ma'am. Whenever we give them the junk, they write in a book that this is.
They write in a book.
They
But
total it and give the money.
yeah, but when you go to their place, they have a one board kind of rate list. जहाँ पे
Yes.
लिखा होता है कि न्यूज़पेपर का इतना चार्ज होगा. आयरन, म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Yes, ma'am. I have seen that.
Okay, Krish, thank you. Newspaper, 1 kg newspaper is this much amount, or the waste paper or the waste bottles or the waste toys are of this amount. Now, if you go from now onwards, if you get the chance to go visit to the junk sailor, please check their rate list. वहां पर हमेशा रेट लिस्ट होती है लगी हुई. Most of them, they keep the rate list there so that the customer will not get confused and they can also calculate the price of their things. So here, how much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspapers? 1 kg newspaper is rupees 5. So for 42 is how much? Who will tell me? Viha will tell me. For 42, how you will find out for 42, Viha?
Ma'am, we will multiply with the amount of 1 kg.
So what is the amount of 1 kg newspaper here? According to the rate list which is given on pen. Viha, I am waiting for your answer. Children, if you know the answer, calculate and write it in the chat.
210.
42 multiplied by 5. So when you do 42 multiplied by 5,
210, ma'am.
210. And what is 210? This is rupees. So we write the rupees symbol before this. Earlier we were using RS as the rupees symbol for Indian currency. Now we are using, how we are writing Indian currency symbol? This
Ma'am,
way.
like this. Ma'am, sleeping line.
Yes, it is there written on my board also. Now go to the next question. A1. 22 kg plastic. Pragyan will find out the A answer. Pragyan, what will be the cost of 22 kg plastic?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, I will call the child name. Lower down your hands. Hiya Verma, turn on your camera, please. Krishav, Arush, turn on your camera, please.
And my camera is on only.
And take out your book here. We are calculating the textbook questions. We are not here just for sitting. So as I was asking for Pragyan, what is the cost of 22 kg plastic?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my network issue is there. What are you saying?
On page number 64, there is a question number B.
Ma'am, my textbook is... Ma'am, I forgot. Ma'am, I can't find my textbook of maths. I am finding from 2 days.
Diva, you tell me, Diva. Diva. And please, Pragyan, bring your textbook and notebooks in the class. Diva, 22 kg plastic. What will be the cost of 22 kg plastic? You check the rate list. Rate list में 1 kg का कितना है प्लास्टिक का?
Ma'am, I can say.
No, Diva will only answer me.
Ma'am, ₹10.
So 22 kg का कितना होगा? Harsh Keshwani joining now.
220. 220. 220.
220.
Diva, 22 multiplied by 10.
220.
So it will be 220.
Ma'am, can I say next one?
Yes, Jignesh will tell me the B and Mohammed Momin will tell me the C. Please be ready.
23 kg of waste paper is rupees 92.
23 kg and the 1 kg waste newspaper is 4.
Yes.
So what?
Rupees 92.
4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 92. Yes. So it will
23
be.
4.
So B answer is rupees 92. Mohammed Momin. C answer.
Yes.
According to the rate list which are given,
Ma'am.
so what is the cost of 12 kg iron?
12 kg iron and 12.
Yeah, 1 kg 12.
112. And answer is 144.
Very good. So the C answer is 12 multiplied by 12 when you do, because the 1 kg is 12 and you are taking 12 kgs, so it is 144 rupees. Got it, everyone? Now, children, as you know, here we have calculated in the rupees. So we are discussing about the money here. So it is in this chapter we will learn about money also. We will learn about money also in this chapter. So before moving, I want to introduce something about basic things about money. That this is the symbol of Indian currency. We will write the rupee sign in this way. You can check here on my board. Then forms of money. There are two different forms of money. किस किस फॉर्म में होता है मनी? नोट्स में और कॉइन्स में. Yes or no, students? You will find the money in two different forms, notes and coins. And now, Earth will tell me, Earth, what is money and why we use money?
Ma'am, we purchase something.
Something in the what? Something in what, students? You can give any example.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Hurry, wait. Yes, Hare, you tell me.
Ma'am, vegetable, fruit.
Very good, Earth. Yes, Hare.
Ma'am, we have money, so we can open our own business and we can buy anything like fruit. We can open our hotel.
And what?
Can I say one thing?
Yes, please. Shivani.
We can help poor people.
Okay, very good. So by giving them the money. And Jignesh, what is money actually? Money होता क्या है?
Money is to buy. Money is to buy something or to help somebody with it.
But money is on the paper. You all agree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You all are agree that money is a kind of a printed paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Are we going to print that money or a paper at home also?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We can print duplicate.
So can you all tell me from where this original money is getting registered?
Bank.
Krishav is giving.
Bank.
From bank. Can you tell me which bank? Here, turn on your camera, please. Here. Turn on your camera, please, Hiya. Hiya, now this is the last time I'm telling you. Now, next time I will not warn you, bacha. You are sleeping on the bed and attending your maths class. Sit straight. Yes. So, as you all said that in the bank, this money get printed. Can anyone raise your hand if you know the answer? Can anyone tell me in which bank they are getting printed? Yes, we have.
Ma'am, we are getting money from
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I say Astha?
Ma'am, can I say
Astha,
Jignesh?
yes, Astha will give me. Yes, Astha.
Of India. Reserve Bank of India.
Excellent. Reserve Bank is the head bank of all the banks. Mother bank जिसको कहते हैं ना, right? Mother bank of all the banks is the Reserve Bank of India.
Ma'am,
That Reserve Bank.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
creator
Mohammed.
Jignesh, creator
Yes.
of money is Commercial Bank.
Yes. And Reserve Bank of India is the bank which registered the money.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, please.
Why we can we print one only time?
Yes. Otherwise, then it will become the duplicate.
Ma'am, I want to say you
But
Or
why?
also the banks, Reserve Bank of India is also having authority to print it only one time.
Ma'am, I want to tell.
Okay.
Yes, Krisha, tell me.
Ma'am, the banks are they don't print it from the printer. They have a type of printer that they have to only print the money. Just
Yes.
print money and nothing else.
That is the special machine which they have for the money only.
They can't
They-
print anything else.
Yes.
That.
Very good, very good. If you have this basic knowledge. So, Reserve Bank of India is the mother bank of all the banks. That bank is only register the money and print the money. And when it comes to us, some numbers, some codes are written also on that. So, the short form of Reserve Bank of India is RBI Bank. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Yes, Krisha.
And there is they don't use the papers. They have to cut it and put it in the printer of that. And they
Yeah.
have a paper and it is very of the that we use the paper. It is not the same of the print.
Yes, yes. They have a special type of the paper.
Yes.
They have to check the thickness of the paper, everything the one. Otherwise, we people also start printing and will not be same, right? So on that there are special marks, the national emblem, and you can see always on the picture there is a Mahatma Gandhi picture also. So everything, and the governor's sign also. You
Ma'am,
can see the governor's sign.
ma'am,
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 Yes, Are.
we can see due to Gandhi ji, we will money, we will see money like this. Then we will there is white and round. Then
at the
there
back
we will
side.
see Gandhi ji.
At the back side, ma'am, at the back. In
No,
2000
at
note, there
bottom
is
side.
not. In 2000 note, there is no. In only front side, there is Gandhi ji. At the back is something.
Yes, something else.
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in the note, it's the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, why the picture of Gandhi?
Who's the founder of our nation?
What man?
Gandhi
Man
ji.
like this.
See, Krishna is.
Who? Yes, Krishav is holding some money. Just check.
Man, I was asking
Very
that
good.
only. Why is Ma'am, this is not real money.
See, this is fake money. Dummy, yeah. Dummy rupees. I also have. I will also show
Yes,
you.
it is fake money.
We will also do some exercise on it. Wait a minute, Shivani. I will tell
Ma'am,
you
there
this
is a
answer.
fake machine to make fake money.
Yeah. But we can find the difference between the fake money and the original money. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, can I show you Dhiram for 200 rupees?
Dirhams. Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, I can show 1 rupee note.
So, Meta, wait, it is a lot, it's a vast topic. We will discuss timely about this also. So, as Shivani was asking, Shivani, why you were asking why the Mahatma Gandhi's picture is on this, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Mahatma Gandhi is, we got independence with the help of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of the nation also.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
that is why the picture of Mahatma Gandhi is there on the
Ma'am,
Indian
I
flag.
have out of countries
Ma'am,
note.
Okay. Now, my dear, I will answer you all the queries. First, let me complete the topic also. Now, this is the last warning to here, and I am going to remove here. Sorry, bacha.
ma'am,
Yes.
see here is printed the Children Bank of India, and in
Mm-hmm.
the real note it is printed in Hindi.
Yes.
Children Bank. That we can
I.
identify from
You
this.
can see. I also have a dummy rupees. Yes. Pritika is also showing 1 rupee note.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
I
real.
also have the same. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
I.
you?
ma'am,
I
it's
know.
real.
Yes, very good. I know the topic is very much excited. You all are excited, but we need to complete certain pointers with this. So now I'm going to show you one video based on this. I will mute myself, students, so that you can listen it properly.
Today, let's learn about rupees and paise. Miss Elizabeth. Hello, kids. We all know that we buy goods like grocery, fruits, vegetables, clothes, and other items.
Children, you all know this that when we buy the things, जब हम कुछ खरीदते हैं, either fruits, vegetables, clothes, grocery items, vegetables, then we pay money. But do you had a thought of that also, that when we go to the doctor, Mohammed Momin, please pay attention here. When we go to doctor, are we getting anything from the doctor? Asta, Asta, we are paying to doctor also, right? Just now we have discussed when we are getting something in the exchange for fruits, vegetables, clothes, like grocery items, we are paying money. But when we go to doctor, is doctor is giving us something? पर हम डॉक्टर को पे तो करके आते हैं money. Why?
Ma'am, because he treatment us,
Ma'am, because
tax us, and he give medicine also.
Okay.
And
Now
we have
let
to pay money.
okay, Arush, now let Astha speak.
ma'am give medicine injection.
Okay. Yes, Pritika. Can you tell me why we are paying to doctors, why we are paying to teachers, why we are paying to the school? They are not giving us something in the exchange. कुछ तो नहीं दे रहे हैं हमें. But actually वो क्या दे रहे हैं हमें? Lawyers, helpers, cleaners जो आते हैं, what they are giving us?
They give help.
They are giving us services, right? डॉक्टर अपनी सर्विस दे रहा है ना, आपको ट्रीट कर रहा है, आपको मेडिसिन लिखे. आस्था, पे अटेंशन हियर. डॉक्टर आपको अपनी सर्विसेज दे रहा है ना, राइट? ही इज ट्रीटिंग यू. टीचर्स आल्सो टीचिंग यू, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर पेइंग. दे आर नॉट गिविंग यू एक्सचेंज में कोई गुड्स तो नहीं दे रही है ना वो, बट दे आर गिविंग सर्विसेज टू यू.
अभी तो लेते जा.
प्लीज कृतिका, म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
मैं चला जा.
कृतिका, your mic. Yes. So that is why we are paying them. I'm going to mute myself.
in exchange of money. We use the services of people like doctors, lawyers, helpers, plumbers, carpenters in exchange of money. We pay them in rupees and paise. In India, we have coins and notes of different denominations. They are
See, students, again, I will show you the image and I will ask the questions. These are the different denominations. First, different forms we have learned, coins and notes. So this is the 50 paisa coin. Earlier it was there, now no. 1 rupee, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin are there. Then in the notes, let
do
me
you know
complete
I
Samriddhi.
have a coin of
Shivani,
50 also.
very good. Let me complete, Bacha. If you have personal things to share with me, later on you can share. So 1 rupee note also there, 2 rupees. Earlier it was there, now no. 2 rupee note is there, 5 rupee note is there, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 and 500 and 2000 notes are there. These are the different denominations. Now we go, I will ask few questions from you. Conversion of money. If I tell you how many coins of rupees 5 make 100 rupees, please raise your hand if you know the answer. How many coins of rupees 5 make the 100 rupees? Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Write the
20.
answer. Very good, Krishav. Yes, Mohammed, how many 5 rupees make? Hare, you are wrong. How many 5 rupee coin make the 100 rupees? 20. So when you do 100 divided by 5, you will get the 20. How many 10
Ma'am,
rupee coins?
20.
How many 10 rupee coins or 10 rupee note make the 100?
No.
Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, 10.
Please write the answer in the chat box. Very good, Earth. Hare is writing 0. I don't know why Hare is writing 0 and Moin is writing 0. I am asking, my question was, how many 10 rupee note make 100? Viha, turn on your camera. Earth, turn on
Ma'am,
your
10.
camera. Pratika, turn on your camera. Yes, 10. Now, my next question is, wait a minute. How many 20 rupees notes make 100? Yes. How Moin Kuledi is writing Moin 50
Ma'am,
notes.
5 notes.
Moin Kuledi
Ma'am,
50 notes of 20.
Ma'am, I am writing 5.
5. Yes. So children, now I will show you also some this money. This is 10 rupee note. Diva, how many 10 rupee note make 30? कितने 10 रुपीस के नोट में लाऊंगी तो 30 बनेंगे? दीवा, प्लीज बी क्विक इन द आंसर.
3, ma'am.
Yes, 3 notes will make 30. Now next question is from Shivangani. Shivangani, how many 500 rupee notes make 4,000? Shivangani, how many 500 rupees make 4,000?
Ma'am, 8.
Yes, 8, but I think you have asked from someone. 8 5 rupees 500 rupee note make 4,000. Okay. How many 100 children, if you know the answer, write in the chat box. How many 100 rupee note make 500? How many 100 rupee note make 500?
Ma'am, 5 notes.
5 notes. Very good. How many 20 rupee notes make 200?
Ma'am, 10.
1. Very good. 10. 20 rupees notes make the 200. You can check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more I don't have. 10, 20. So to make this
Ma'am, I
200,
have.
to make this 200, how many 20 rupee note I have to include more, because I have only 19. So कितने और मैं मिलाऊंगी इसको 200 बनाने के लिए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only I have.
1, ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 200. 1, ma'am. 1, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
How many it was network problem. Now I'm coming properly, visible to you all.
No, ma'am, blur.
Ma'am,
you are blur.
It will come now.
No, ma'am, still blur.
But it's okay. You need to listen me because I am verbally explaining you.
No, ma'am, you are not.
Okay, thank you, Arush. So now, children, now I will ask conversion of money. Jignesh will tell me. Jignesh, 1 rupee equals to how many paisa?
100.
Viha. Viha, 2 rupees equals to how many paisa? Viha Patel, 2 rupees equals to how many paisa? Moksh Patel. Krishav, you need to wait for your turn, bacha. Moksh Patel, 2 rupees equals to how many paisa?
What, ma'am?
2 rupees equals to how many paisa?
200.
Yes, you are multiplying 2 with the 100. When 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa, so 2 rupees equals to 200 paisa. Lakshya Dola, 3 rupees equals to how many paisas?
Ma'am, 300.
Very good. Moin Kuledi, 6 rupees equals to how many paisas?
600.
Very good. Shivangani, 12 rupees equals to how many paisa? 12 rupees multiplied by 100 will equals to how many paisas?
Ma'am, 1200.
Very good. This way we will convert the rupees into paisa. Okay. How many 50 paisa coin makes the 2 rupees? Who will tell me? Hare, how many 50 paisa coin makes the...
4, ma'am.
Hare, Mohammed, I am asking from Hare.
Yes, ma'am.
How many 50 paisa coin makes 2 rupees?
Ma'am, 4.
Yes, 4. So
Because 100
students,
paisa is equal 1 rupees.
yes. So on the basis of today's concept, I'm sending you the Google form. Thank you students for today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye.